Fontaine, as he rips by, we'll listen to him. But what are your expectations for Branden SORENSEN here in another Formula Drip Pro Championship?
Well, he's just showing that he's so capable, and at his young age, he's a sponge. So he's soaking everything up. He's just going to keep getting better and better.
And unfortunately, as they say, as the cookie crumbles, into the K&N Air Filters Final Four, the Branden SORENSEN, Alec Robbins battle. This is the first battle. It's the left side of the bracket. Because guess what? The winner is guaranteed a podium. Alec Robbins out front, Branden SORENSEN in the chase position. Alec Robbins into that first outside zone. Robbins, you can hear him hit that rev limiter. Branden SORENSEN taking a very shallow line. Alec Robbins, oh boy! Robbins loops it.
He was looking so good up until that spin right there. He was coming out so wide on 3.
Don't have a third place consolation medal because that defaults to qualifying position. Qualifying's not here, so we do have a third place battle. Branden SORENSEN out front, United States Air Force, BMW. Alec Robbins, look at this. Holy cow.
Putting on pressure.
Yeah, you think? Kind of.
Wow.
Well, he's taking a shallow line. I'll tell you what, Branden, not ideal, but I think it's going to get it done. And Alec Robbins now just kind of applying the pressure. The finals, we saw Forrest Wang get the win last night. Branden SORENSEN not part of the equation. Here we go. Let's send it Long Beach. Forrest Wang, your Get Nuts Laboratory, S15, the United States Air Force, BMW. Branden SORENSEN, Forrest Wang, back at it like a crack at it. That's right. Forrest Wang delivering. Wang Chung all night long as the Type S lights are on underneath both vehicles.
Zone, and he pulls it beyond the wall sometimes. So you have to wonder if it's necessary, if it's like a comfort thing, or I'm not sure, but here we go.
Regardless, this is for the win. Who's getting it? FTW. Branden SORENSEN, Forrest Wang. Branden SORENSEN throws it in. Oh, Branden goes deep. Forrest Wang, you can see him modulating his throttle. He went too hard. Forrest Wang now modulating it, taking a shallower line. And now coming into that final inside clip. So the